So according to the pattern, you have finished crocheting your ball, which makes the body of our plushie. But there is still that hole in the middle. Let's count one last time to make sure we have the right amount of stitches, and we should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This means that we are ready to close the ball. For this step, we are going to need a pair of scissors, and we are going to need the yarn needle that came with your kit. First off, we need to trim our yarn, leaving about 6 inches from the last stitch that we have made. Next, we need to gently pull your crochet hook out so it's entirely through the loop. Now let's take out a yarn needle and let's thread our yarn. So now we have our needle in our hand, and what we will do is place our needle into the only front loop of every single stitch until our hole disappears. And the first stitch that we are going to put our needle into is the stitch marked by our stitch marker. Now let's take out that stitch marker and slide our needle under the front loop of the first stitch that we have. And continue this with every single stitch, and we have total of 6 stitches. Remember that the front loop is the side of the stitch that is closer to you. And make sure to insert your needle from the outside of the circle to the inside. And every time you pull the yarn through those loops, give it a little tug to snug it up. Keep going all the way around and you'll watch that hole slowly disappearing. Now to make sure everything stays put, insert the needle in the middle of the hole and bring it out on the opposite side of the body. This will just secure the yarn tail and make sure everything stays in place. Now reach for your scissors and snip the yarn as close to the surface of your work as you can. If you still see your yarn tail sticking out, simply massage your piece and it should disappear. And there you have it. You have officially completed the body of your plushie.